So this is the image I'm going to use. So the first thing I'm going to do is to go to Window, left click on More, and then select Guide Guy. Now I'm going to add the vertical guide 50%, so I'm going to select this one here, left click. So here's our guide, and now I'm going to left click here to hide the guide properties. And now as you can see, we are on the move tool, check the transform controls, and now I'm going to scale up my layer, so here like this. Click on this icon to confirm, and now I'm going to center my layer, so here like this. So I think I'm going to place it here like this, and now I'm going to uncheck the transform controls, and now select the type tool. The font I'm using is Indent, the size 260, the color white, and now left click and now type your text. And now select the move tool. I'm going to place my text layer here in the middle. I'm going to center it like this. So here it is. And now let's select the type tool again. So for example, if you left click, type Ctrl A to select all text. Go to Window and then select Paragraph. So just select Paragraph here. And now if you left click here, you can adjust the line height. So here, so for me, I'm just going to leave to 0, press enter. Now let's hide the paragraph properties. Now select the move tool. And now the first thing I'm going to do is to select my image layer, this one here, the women. Right click and then convert it into smart object. And now select the text layer, right click, and then select pixels to select the pixels from the text layer. I'm going to hide the text layer. Select the women layer, this one here, and then click on this icon here to add the raster mask. So as you can see here, we kept only our selection here from the women layer. It is only raster mask. So the black represents transparency and the white opacity. So now I just need to paint with white on this side here to reveal the other side. So I'm just going to select the raster mask, this one here, the black and white. Left click here, select the rectangle select. I'm going to make selection. So here, as you can see, it snaps to my guide. So here, I'm going to fill all the guide here. So here it is. Left click, select the paint bucket tool, make sure the foreground is white, and then left click. So here it is, just make sure you're on the raster mask. And now let's remove the selection. So go to select, deselect, and then remove the guide. Left click here on the guide guy, and then select clear guides. I'm going to hide it, and now I'm just going to add the background layer. So click on the icon here to add the new layer. Place it under the women layer. We are still on the paint bucket tool. The color is white, and I'm just going to left click on the transparent layer we created. So here it is. And now I don't need the text layer. I'm going to delete it, select it, and then delete it. And now since this is a smart object, we can change the image, then keep the effect. So double click on the women layer, this one here, not the raster mask. Double click. So here we are inside the smart object background PSD, and this is the image with the background. So this is the smart object inside. So now I'm just going to bring another image. So I'm going to bring this image. So now I'm just going to scale it up. So here like this. So I just need to cover the whole layer. So here, and now click on this icon here to confirm. And now we need to save this smart object. So go to File, and then Save Smart Object. So as you can see, I just placed the new image on top of the previous image. And now left click here to see the image. So here it is.